Hey everyone, it's Aaron here. This is exactly how the Instagram Auto DM feature will make you big bucks. We're seeing a massive rise of people using this in the content creation and online coaching space, and it's no surprise why. There's a few different elements to it as to why it is so epic, but let me quickly show you and then I'll show you the software that you can do it on, and it can be done within 10 minutes. I would even argue 5, but that might take you a few tries. So let's quickly dive in here. Right, so how Instagram Auto DM makes you big bucks. That's a little money bag. Right, the old way of doing things is traditionally manually DMing people. Constantly messaging back and forth with leads. So you're going to your audience members, hey, how are you? I've noticed that you've been following me for a while now. Is there anything that can help you with? We all know these conversations. There's just no predictable pipeline, and you're kind of working in and out on the business because you're always chasing your followers. You're always chasing the messages, going back and forth. You've got to deal with your business. You've got to manage your operations. You need to manage other virtual assistants. You need to look after your content machine. There's so many different moving parts. So an auto DM feature just removes all that headache from you. So the new way, and in just a second I'm going to show you how you can do this, and I will even give you a template which is totally free and you can implement it in your business. So the new way here is to create engaging content which is comment worthy. Okay, so something that your audience members will comment on. So the point of this is you need to encourage comments from your audience. All right, so then we can drop into their DMs and we can send them something, whether it might be a PDF, a free checklist, or some form of video training, something that's super duper valuable we want to give them in return for them to drop in a comment. So this does a few things. One, it magnetizes leads towards us. Right, that's why we call them lead magnets. And also it's a very low commitment action from the user. So for example, we've all seen funnel pages where you land on it and it says, hey, free training here, give me your name, your email, and your phone number. That's very high commitment. Whereas this, it's a very low commitment action on Instagram. Everybody's used to commenting on Instagram, DMing on Instagram. So it feels like second nature to do on the platform, which is why people are having so much success. And we're also programmed to essentially get involved in the community, right? So comments and likes, this is something that becomes second nature, which is why you're going to make a hell of a lot of money with this feature. Of course, once you've created this engaging content and people are commenting, you're landing straight into the DMs of that user. Okay, so you're engaging the audience straight away. You're opening up lines of communications. So, of course, this is automated, but you can always have yourself or maybe even an appointment setter to drop in and to kind of take over the conversation manually if needs be. But what will happen is that you'll capture the data of that Instagram audience member, right? So if you've taken them over to some form of download or you've taken them to a free video series or something, you can capture their emails or phone numbers there. So you've actually added to your list of database. And this is, of course, all on autopilot. So I want to quickly skip to how to do this within 10 minutes flat using this software. So I use a software called Go High Level. It is a CRM and a sales and marketing platform. It's about $97 a month. Incredible piece of software. It's got everything in it. Now, when you come to your workflows, which is the automation, I have one set up here. They give you something called recipes. A recipe is essentially a template that they're giving you for free. So you can set this up with just a template. So if I go over to create workflow, I'll select a recipe. This is how we're going to set up your auto DM feature. Let it load, give it a second. Many templates to choose from. So whether you want a template on booking appointments through a calendar, whether you want a template on appointment reminders, whatever it may be, these guys have a recipe for it. And all you need to do is activate the recipe, connect whatever you need to connect, whether it's a Gmail account, whether it's a funnel, and it's in action. So as you can see here, recipe, Instagram comment automation. Use this recipe to automate the DM replies to comments on Instagram. So I'll just go ahead and select this. I'm not even doing anything. It's going to load the template for me and it is literally nearly ready to go. I just need to connect up my Instagram, put in a few things that I want, and we're good to go. So this might look confusing. It's not. At the top, we have a trigger for our workflow. Trigger meaning what triggers the sequence of events below it. So right at the top, We have a Instagram comments on post. So Instagram comments on post. Pages, once you have connected your Instagram account to Go High Level, your Instagram account will appear here and you'll just select it. And that is that part sorted. We haven't got to worry about it, okay? We'll click off this. The next action is what are we replying to people? Okay, so we can have a variation of responses. So hey, check your DM. So let's say your comment is funnels, or your comment is finance, or your comment is fitness. This is the response that'll be shown back to the person that has dropped the comment. So we can add loads of different variations just to probably show Instagram as well that we're not just sending the same old message, we're mixing it up. It just adds that personal touch as well. So pretty simple to do. Once that's done, we'll save it. This is what is going to send the message now. So sends an Instagram message to the contact. So here we can literally just type out, hey, thanks for commenting over on my post, XYZ, da 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 da. You get it. So this is what will appear in their DMs. And what we can have here, so these three branches that we can see here, default timeout, visit our website, get the checklist. What this is, in this step above where the message is sent, we can have buttons. So add up to 2 action buttons that users can interact with in Instagram Messenger. So 1 could be visit our website. 2 could be get the checklist. Whatever it is that you're offering, just replace the field with this and choose the action that you want it to do. Will it open up a website? Will it go to a download? Whatever it may be, put it here. So essentially what this is just a workflow of a audience's journey. Someone who's opted in, they'll be triggered, they'll respond to the comment, they'll be sent a DM, and this is one of the routes they will take. Very easy to do. I've spoken through it. It's taken me 3 or 4 minutes. You can do this. The name of the software is Go High Level. This also shows Instagram that there's engagement happening on your Instagram account as well. So there is no risk of Instagram saying anything to you or shutting you down. This is a feature that's plugged into Instagram. It's second nature, so I wouldn't worry about that aspect. The key now is to go away, review your content strategy, make material that's engaging, and prompt all your audience members to comment something below in order to get that valuable thing that it is that you're offering. It's a great way to pull your audience members into your world so that you can start serving them through whatever it is that you are selling. So I hope you took some value from that. Super duper easy. Go high level. Instagram auto DM. Engaging content. You'll have a machine that's working so smoothly. I'll see you in the next one.